So next, let's talk about how research programs can benefit from using this technology.
Yeah, this is a good one. I just kind of want to quickly share this slide here on the big picture of why you might pursue an aerial phenotyping solution and the value it can bring to your research programs. So after speaking extensively with our long-term customers, there are really three main categories of value that they share with us. The first is more accurate and comprehensive measures of plant development and response to various inputs and environmental conditions, and with improved statistical confidence. You can kind of see that in the platform. This reduces the scope of trials that are really needed to reach product advancement decisions through reduced labor, reduced number of trials, and in many cases, a reduced overall timeline. So we're typically seeing maybe 5 to 10% reduction in the cost to bring a new product to market, whether that's a new seed type or a new chemical, and on the order of 1 to 2 year reduction in the overall time to market. The second component is really that the data that you gather in these trials can be used to more effectively target or market, how you take these inputs into the market in specific grower environments, with a better body of data and tools to demonstrate the efficacy of these products. And third is that data can also be used to build performance models and even forecast, how these inputs are going to perform, and not just provide better guidance on which products to use, but how to put them to use within their local environment. So hopefully that gives you some good background on our platform and the value it brings to our customers and what our customers are seeing. But of course, like I said, we brought Michael in today to directly share how he's using our platform to support really a broad suite of research tools and services he's providing to his clients. So